So I'm going to demonstrate how to run a Janction node on an Android device. So first of all, you'd need something like MetaMask. You go over to this option here where you can search for site. Type in www.janction.io. So now we've got Janction.io. It should take a second to load up. Let me just Janction.io. Yeah. This should take a second to load up. Come on, man. www.io. Load. Here we go. Now this will load up. When this is loaded up, you can press get started and then environment preparation. No, you go all the way down. You go get started on running a node. There's currently 20 Android nodes, 1 Linux, no Mac, no Windows nodes, so they might have technical problems. But then you go over to this left hand corner, deploy node, then you check your operating system. So for example, this is an Android phone, so I click Android, go down to next, and then it's got this APK. So if I click this, this will start downloading an APK. Once the APK is downloaded, you make sure you run it, and this is where you'd find it. So you click these files here. You click the Janction release version 1.apk file. You run that. After that is run, it will open up on your phone here. So this is the app right here. You click this. You connect your wallet first, and then you connect to the Janction site. So I don't know if I should just stop this disconnect. Let me disconnect everything. Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll run this again now. Okay. This shouldn't be running anything actually. Let me just check. Let me just make sure this shouldn't be running anything at the minute. Yeah, it's running something. Okay. So let me connect wallet, MetaMask, blah blah blah, da-ba-da-ba. Here we go. Connect. Yes, we're in. Connect to Janction successful. And then what I'll do is close that, get back into here, and let me just check on my PC now to see if this is up and running and active. Yes, it is. So now we apparently have a Janction node that is running and operational. Run with GPU. So let's have a look. So this is it running the tasks. Timeout failed to run job. There's a lot of timeouts on my PC. But yeah, this is the app working. So this is how it should look when you come onto the app.